This is the story of the world's largest tunnel boring machines.
Before tunnel boring machines, tunnels were carved by hand, explosives, and unimaginable human effort. Modern TBMs replaced dangerous manual excavation with precision engineering.
Without these machines, modern metros and underwater tunnels would be nearly impossible. Look at the stress points visualized here on the turbine blade.
I'm running the simulation now to show the impact of the material change.
Every TBM is custom designed for the geology it will encounter.
Hold post 3. Copy that, holding steady. Lowering now, watch the clearance. Hold it there, watch the tension on the chains. Signaling the operator now, bringing it left. Steady, steady, coming down. Synchronized descent commencing.
Hydraulics engaged, moving slow. Steady, steady, watching the laser lines.
All connections on cabinet 2 are secure. Good.
Good. I'm running the diagnostic sequence now. We should be online shortly.
Alignment secure. Confirmed. Set it down.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with welding. Copy that.
Clear the tracks on the left. Engaging the conveyor belt now. Watch the cables.
We need to double-check the bracing on the backup gantries.
I agree, especially Sector 3.
The cutter head alignment looks perfect, though.
Move the articulated arm to the next segment. Positioning now. Radiation clear. Reading stable on my end.
We need to inspect the structural rings before we finalize this stage. The specs on the bearing look slightly off. I agree. The digital overlay confirms the deviation. Let's flag it.
Sequence initiated. All systems coming online. Confirmed. Pressure climbing now.
All right, team, keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the south side. South side clear, steady as she goes.
The tunnel grows meter by meter beneath the city, revealing the astonishing engineering that keeps modern civilization moving.
Phoenix is clear of the platform, bringing her down. Roger, maintaining tension on the guides. Watch your depth. The greatest engineering wonders are often hidden beneath our feet.